Hey guys, today I have an important message for you. My videos on hacking techniques have repeatedly clashed with YouTube's policies. Some were removed, I was close to getting banned, and even faced a possible fine. So it's time for a change. YouTube has been tightening restrictions on certain topics and even thought my content is educational. Sometimes my videos don't make it past their rules. So I don't want to risk waking up one day and seeing my channel gone. To keep creating without restrictions, I have decided to move to HeroHero, where I will be publishing exclusive content. So you will still get the same videos you know and love, but without censorship or ads. Plus, I will be adding even more detailed tutorials and special guides. So simply go to herohero.co, search my channel Hacks and Sec, and sign up. For a small monthly fee, you will get full access to everything. By supporting my work, you help me continue creating and delivering even better content. Join as soon as possible because I won't be posting any more content on YouTube, only occasional updates and previews of my HeroHero videos. The link is in the description and pinned comment. See you on a HeroHero.